Today, I'm going to talk about a feature called Ingress Bandwidth Manager. It's a network quality of service feature coming into Cilium 1.18, which is due around July timeframe. And this feature enables you to control and shape traffic shades of police coming into your pod, essentially controlling and limiting the amount of traffic that can enter your pod. We've supported what we call Egress Bandwidth Management, that was traffic leaving the pod. We've been able to do this for already a couple of years. And in 1.18, we're able to control the traffic coming into the pod, just throttling the traffic coming in. And the beauty about this is that it's just really simple. You just need to add an annotation to your pod to say, look, I want the traffic coming into my pod to be limited down to whatever traffic you want to set. So let's take a look. It's a demo. So my demo environment is running in AKS. I've got a Azure Kubernetes service, which I deployed with a Brilliant CNI mode, so without a CNI to begin with. And I installed Cilium 1.18, the pre-release 0, which is one of the first beta release you can get for Cilium 1.18. Again, Cilium is looking good, 1.18.0. Great. So what we've also done is we've enabled the config manager feature. Just double check this. And here we go. And here's quite simple. I've got two pods. Right? I've got one server and one client that are going to run the network performance testing iPerf between the two. And they are located in two different nodes, you can see here. Right? And the IP address of my server is 10.0.2.58. So I'm going to go to my client and write iPerf to 10.0.2.58. And we're going to see it again. Right now, I've not enforced any kind of force of form of traffic control. And we'll see, we're expecting to see over 1 gig, 1.3, that's usually what I see. 1.3 gig of traffic between two pods in AKS running Cilium, again, before we apply any form of traffic shading. Now, the way to do it with Cilium and Bandwidth Manager is simply by annotating the pod. And adding a special annotation, which we're going to do now. And we're going to go on to our server and we're going to add this annotation, which is just Kubernetes IO Ingress bandwidth. And we'll say, okay, let's break it down to 20 meg, right? That's it. Right. And now we were to run our test again, and I'm expecting to be roughly around 20 meg. So that's pretty much all you need to do. Again, you can go ahead and test it. Here we go, 21, 22 meg from the traffic shading test. If you want, you can we can even try with say 2 meg, right? If we really want to reduce the bandwidth being used by a particular pod. And again, I just modify the annotation onto the specification of my server, and the egress bandwidth will be reduced down to around 2 meg. Perfect. And that's it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.